I'm Dylan and you're watching H3 Humper. I'm going to replace the old big black box with this nice and smooth aluminum tubing. And let's get to it. I'm going to start by taking off these rubber boots and I'll remove that big black box. There we go. Pull this off. Now I can remove the three 13mm nuts to separate this stock box. Took the air box out. I'll pop one of these couplers on the end of this pipe and connect it to the throttle body. Now I'll get a better idea of where I need to cut. Let's see how it fits. So there's a bit more of a gap there than I would have wanted, which really stinks, but whatever, that boot will slide right over it and secure it up nicely. This little alignment tooth for the old tubing gets in the way of the new coupler, so I'm going to remove that material with the Dremel. Alright, now I've got that nice and smooth there. I'll go ahead and slide this on by itself. Stick the tube on. Twisting down. Now I'll just push this coupler onto the mouth of the throttle body. There we go, that's slipped on nicely. Now, hose clamp time. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Connected the mass airflow sensor, and now I'll just reinstall this lid. I think that looks a lot better than the old boot. As a comparison.